Okay, the goal of this video is to get you understand well on fractions. Now, I am expecting that you have studied fractions long before. This is just a quick review. Here we will know how to perform different operations in fraction. But before that, we're going to know first the types of fractions. We have number 1, proper fractions. Example, we have here 1/2, 2/3, 3/5, and 7, 9, and so on. So as you can see, notice that the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So you're going to bear in your mind that the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So that is called a proper fractions. Number 2 types of fraction is improper fractions. Examples are 5/3, 5/2, 3/2, 9/4, and so on. So notice that our numerator is bigger than our denominator. All fractions that has bigger numerator is called an improper fractions. Okay, the last type is the so-called mixed number. This is just a combination of a whole number and a fraction. Any number combined with a fraction are called mixed number. Example, we have 1 1/2, 2 1/2, 3 1/2, 4 1/3, and so on. This is just a combination of a whole number and a fraction. Any number combined with a fraction are called mixed number. Now let's proceed on how to add and subtract fractions. Okay, example, 1/2 plus 1/2. So as you can see, our fractions have the same denominator. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and copy the common denominator 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Example number 2, we have 1/3 plus 1/5. Okay, our denominator has different number. So we're going to multiply this by 5 and here by 3 so that it will have the same denominator. We have here 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 3 is 3, and 5 times 3 is 15. Now you can add directly. That's 8/15, and that's our answer. Example 3, we have 7/9 minus 3/45. We're going to multiply 9 by 5 so that we're going to have the same denominator, and our numerator will be multiplied also by 5. 7 times 5 is 35, 9 times 5 is 45. Just copy. We have 3/45. A 32/45. 84th example, we have 11/7 minus 3/42. Your target is you're going to have the same denominator. So we have 7 times 6, the numerator multiplied also by 6. 11 times 6 is 66. 7 times 6 is 42. Copy. 3 over 42. So I have here, that is 63 over 42. We can change this since our fraction is improper. We can have this 63 divided by 42. Okay, that is 1 and 63 minus 42, 1 and 21 over 42. But still we can have 21 and 42 can be simplified into smallest number. So we have 21 divided by 21 is 1 and 42 divided by 21 is 2. So our answer is 1 and 1/2. We have here a mixed number, 1 and 1/2 plus 2 and 1/2. Okay, first step you are going to change mixed number into improper fractions. 1 times 2 plus 1. Then copy the common denominator. Copy the denominator. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. Plus, we have 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. That is 5 halves. So as you can see, we have now the same denominator, so we can add it directly. 2 plus 8 is 5 and denominator of 2. So we have 8 divided by 2. The answer is 4. Number 6, we have 3 and 1/5 minus 2 and 1/3. So change that into improper fractions. 3 times 5 plus 1, that is 16 over 5. Minus times 3 is 6 plus 1, it is 6. 7 over plus 1 is 7 over 3. As you can see, we have different denominators. So our target is we're going to multiply the first fraction with 3 and the second fraction with 5. So we have 16 times 3 is 48 and 5 times 3 is 15. Subtracted by 7 times 5, which is 35, and 3 times 5 is 15. As you can see, we have now the same denominator, so we can perform the operation. 48 minus 35 is 13, copy 15. So our answer is 13 over 15. The next is how we are going to multiply. It's very easy. Simply multiply numerator to numerator and denominator times denominator. Okay, that's the one you are going to remember. Simply multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Suppose we have here 1/2 times 1/2. That is 1 times 1 is 1. And 2 times 2 is 4. So our answer is 1/4. The second example, we have 2 over 3. 2/3 times 3/4. Multiply numerator, 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. So reduce or simplify it. We are going to divide this by 6. Okay? 6 divided by 6 is 1. And 12 divided by 6 is 2. Our answer is 1/2. 3, we are going to multiply mixed number. Here we're going to change into improper fractions. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 3 is 8 over 3. Then 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10 over 3. Then you can have it numerator to numerator. You have 80. 3 times 3 is 9. That is, we have 8 in divided by 9. So we have 8 in 8 over 9. That is equal to 80 over 9. So we have how to divide. How to divide fractions, we have 1/2 divided by 1/2. 1/2 divided by 1/3. So we have, okay, the steps is you are going to get the reciprocal of your divisor. So in case we have here 1/3, becomes 3 over 1. Multiply 1 times 3 is 3 and 2 times 1 is 2, or that is 1 and 1/2. Next example, we have 3/4 divided by 1/3. So we have here 3 times 3 is 9. Cross multiply, or that is 2 and 1/4. Aside from you are going to get the reciprocal, you can have it directly cross multiply the numbers. We have next example of in how to divide mixed number. We have here 4 and 1/3 divided by 1 and 3/5. Okay, change into improper fractions. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13 over 3. Divided by 1 times 5 is 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, you can cross multiply. You can have it times the reciprocal of your divisor, 5 over 8. That is 13 times 5 is 65 and 3 over 8 is 24. You can simplify this one. That is 2. 65 minus 48, 13. That is 3 and 13 over 24. Okay, simple as that. Okay, there you go. It's just very easy, simple, and quick. Just to watch this again and again so that you can familiarize and understand as well about fractions. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share for more videos to come. Thank you, and once again, God bless us all.